Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Littlest bass in the world. And he foul hooked. Hook. Littlest bass on the planet. And he charged that and got foul hooked. I seen him swipe it right there at the bait. And he ain't big enough to eat this. I mean, he might be. But look at that. I think that's going to win big fish of the day, guys. What do you think? Big fish of the day, anybody? Monster. Killing them. Killing them.